Speak to me, your lips touch, crackle like water spilling.